In this tutorial, we will see that how you can see your Instagram password if you forget it. So let's dive right in. For the first step, if you open your Instagram and open settings and privacy and open account center, in password and security, you will only find an option to change password. But to see your Instagram password, you have to close this Instagram and open Google and search for instagram.com. Open this first link, login Instagram. Here you will get this window to write your username or password. If you click on that username window, here you will get use saved password. If you click on it, it will autofill your username and password. You can also view this password by just clicking on this eye icon. This was the first method to see your Instagram password if you forget it. But for the second method, minimize it, open settings and scroll it down. Open Google. From this Google services, you can select account and click on that Google account. It will open up like this. You will be on this home page. Drag these options to left side and you will get here security. Scroll it down to the end. Here you will get this password manager. If you click on that manage passwords, you will get here these all apps with passwords. You can see here Instagram is listed in this list. If you open it, it will show you your username and password. If you forget it, you can view password by just clicking on this I button. So that's how you can see your Instagram password if you forget it in just few steps.